Get on the ground.
I never fucking hit you. Oh, no. Hey, no. Hey.
Get him out. What are you doing?
Move. Don't touch her. Get your hands off me. I spit in your motherfucking face.
That'll be another charge.
I spit in your motherfucking
You gonna
face.
spit in my
Get your
face?
To understand how things escalated to this point, we have to go back. On the night of January 21st, 2024, an officer with the Orlando Police Department was assisting with security at a local bar when a fight broke out involving a group of women. The officer and security staff moved in to escort them out of the building. Inside the crowded bar, the argument quickly turns physical. Security attempts to intervene, but the women refuse to back down, unaware that their actions are about to draw the attention of law enforcement waiting just outside.
Hey, no. Hey.
Get him out. What are you doing?
Move. Don't touch her.
Get on the ground. Get on the ground. Get him.
What's that, bro?
Get on the ground. No, that's...
Don't put your hands on my sister.
Get off.
I'm recording that. What you mean?
Get on the ground
You
now.
handling it? I'm not.
Get on the ground
I'm not.
now before you get tased.
You handling
Signal 43.
fucking handling them like they.
I got two hit me. Get on the ground.
You handling them like they.
Get on the
I'm
ground
trying to figure out what the happened.
now.
Hit your ass. I never hit you.
Get on the ground.
I never hit you. Oh no.
Having given multiple clear commands which were ignored, the officer deploys his taser on the primary aggressor. Backup units quickly arrive to help control the volatile scene.
I got two more battery charges on LEO. Stay right there. If you move, get on the ground. You in the white, you in the tan. Yeah, get on the ground. Get on the ground. Get on the ground. Get on the ground.
I'm live streaming them now. Just got going down on taser.
Any shooting at Signal 43 for Orlando Police at Southern Nights 275 South Lobby Avenue for Oscar.
One in the tan and this one.
I'm trying to figure out what.
Stay on the ground.
I'm on the ground. I'm on the fucking ground. I'm trying to figure out what happened. I was not there. What I'm talking about.
Right at the corner I dive. I got two trying to leave. One Bravo Foxtrot, tan bodysuit, red hair. The other one, white shirt, pink pants. Hey, follow them two right there. I'm telling you, do not leave. Do this up right there. No 43. They're coming up. Hey, get them two right there.
Yo, the fact that you unleash your taser on me is crazy. We always come here. I ain't never seen you once. Ever.
Hold that one for me.
Yo, hold up. Let me get her in custody before you take it off.
Yeah.
Put your hands behind your back.
Put your hands
Put your hands
behind.
behind your back.
I didn't even
I don't.
know nothing.
I know, but I don't want you to get tased. Listen to me.
We already tasered. We don't even go.
Yeah, you're gonna get it again. Keep your mouth shut.
Stay there with them.
All units are 10-4. You can slow everybody down. Any hands on 97 can slow their response.
Start the car back.
43 on.
Patrol that. Start the car downtown.
Right there. Turn around, put your hands behind your back. Turn around and put your hands behind. Turn around and put your...
What am I doing?
And this one right next to him.
got you, Queen. I got you. Taking my phone.
Now 34 on patrol, right up on security
Down
056.
here, because they're going to try to take you to jail, too. I'm getting your phone.
Stop. Back up.
Don't touch me.
Down with you. Down with you. She hit me in the face.
That's my name. You need that one?
Yes.
She hit him in the face.
She hit me in the face. And this one.
You hit us. It's all on video. I swear to God, I'm going to stay in motherfucking Florida. Trash.
This way. Move. You want to keep resisting, right?
Stop.
Step back before you go too. Step back. You are interfering. Like you did.
Women for the government. What I'm being arrested for? I work for the government.
Hit me.
You hit me, nigga. No. What I'm being arrested
After you punched me in the face.
I ain't hit you. You hit me. I'm walking out behind everybody. If you hit us.
Hey, all units.
If you came in there.
Hey, don't. All three of these going to jail. Two of them hit me in the face. All three resisting. When you leave. Yes. Those two and this one.
Apartment.
I need ID on them.
Any other unit?
And the one I tased, so it's going to be 1, 2, the one in the black as well. Battery LEO on 2, and punched me right in the face. And then, yeah, I'm good. And then the other one resisted. Where's your ID at? Where's your ID at?
You could ask me that at first. Get your hands off me.
Hey,
you could
who's got
ask
a
me that at
car?
first.
Who got a car?
You could ask me that at first.
Hey, who's got a car?
Slapping me, nigga. You could have asked me that at first before you start putting your hands on me.
You mean after you punched me in the face?
I was the last person at the door. How did I hit you?
Punch me in the face?
Shut the fuck. Get your hands off me. I spit in your motherfucking face.
That'll be another charge.
I spit in your motherfucking
You gonna
face.
spit in my
Get your
face?
hands off me.
Put her in this car, man.
You don't put your hands on no motherfucking woman. And I ain't did shit to you. You hit me first. What you think I'm gonna do?
Oh,
Sade, get my phone.
this one's open? Okay.
I done been this mother 1,000 times and I ain't had no problem with the bathroom.
I'm gonna tell you two again.
Sade, get my
Go
phone.
over there
Get my
and
phone.
don't come back.
Right
Go
there.
over by the pine tree.
Call T, baby.
What's your code?
1191. I swear to God.
001 JB. You don't want to crash on 19 Phil.
And pat her down first.
You gotta pat me down.
Stop resisting.
Oh, now you wanna do that. Now you wanna do that. Now you wanna do that after you done beat up a bunch of bitches.
All right, I'll beat you up.
I hope you ain't got no wife.
15 call.
Or no
Go
children.
ahead.
And I have one female protected custody.
Good. What is that?
Have a
I'll be taking
seat.
up 43 years. Copy, sorry.
Have a seat.
591 49591.
059.
Thomas.
Oscar 63 Alpha.
Oscar 63 Alpha.
After the chaotic scene was brought under control, all three women were arrested and transported to jail, facing charges including battery on a law enforcement officer and resisting arrest. What do you think? Did the officer show too much restraint initially, or was the final use of force justified? Let us know your analysis in the comments below. If you want to see more real-life body cam breakdowns, make sure you hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications. Thanks for watching.